Indoor and outdoor padlock is best used as a school locker lock, gym lock, and gate lock, providing protection and security from theft. Set your own 4-digit combination lock for easy combination recall, combination change tool included. Combo lock is constructed with a solid body for strength and weatherability, hardened steel shackle for cut resistance. 2-inch, 51mm, wide lock body, 5 by 16-inch, 8mm, diameter shackle with 1-inch, 25mm, length, 1-inch, 25mm, width. Shackle is preset to open on 0000. See user manual and technical specifications section of this page for combination reset instructions. Top reviews from the United States. Works well. Ordered these for a TSA approved container. They fit on the container well. I was able to set the combination using the included key easily. Just be sure the key is all the way inserted, some pressure needed, before you turn it. The locks traveled well and I had no issues with getting them to open, close, etc. Do know you need to push down and then pull out when opening a lock and that the dial must be spun off the combination before it will lock. Worked well for my needs.